Introduce short overview of EverCrystal Variable Speed Pool Pump 1.5 HP, Inground Pool Pump. How does it differ from other brands? Because, consists of the following features. Safe and energy compliant, our variable speed pool pump is ETL listed, electrical safety verified, and CEC certified, meets California Energy Commission standards for energy efficiency. By adjusting motor speed to match your pool's actual needs, it consumes up to 80% less energy than traditional pool pumps. Powerful flow for in-ground pools. The 1.5 HP in-ground pool pump delivers a maximum flow rate of 7,260 gallons per hour and a shut-off head of 77 feet, suitable for in-ground pools. Its speed is adjustable from 450 to 3,450 rpm. Built-in timer for automated energy savings. The in-ground pool pump allows you to program up to 4 customizable time periods within a 24-hour cycle. It can run at lower speeds for daily filtration, all automatically. This feature maximizes energy savings while keeping your pool clean with minimal effort. Easy installation and maintenance. 1.5-inch and 2-inch adapters included. These adapters fit most existing pool systems. Built-in strainer basket, it captures leaves and debris before they enter the pool pump, protecting the impeller and extending pump life. Easy open lid, for quick cleaning. In addition, you can press to subscribe button, press to select the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.